let me show you how to make this delicious cauliflower and chickpea curry. Start off with some onions that you're going to gently saute until they're nice and soft. Then you can go ahead and add in some garlic and ginger paste and give that a stir. Now it's time to talk about spices. This isn't going to be chili hot, but it will have lots of flavour. Throw in those spices and then you want to give that a stir until it's nice and fragrant. Add in a can of tomatoes, and I like to fill the can with water and add that in too, and then you just want to give that a mix. While the sauce is simmering, I like to chop up the cauliflower as this saves some time. The sauce is looking lovely. You can see the tomatoes have all broken down, and so now I'm going to add in the cauliflower and give that a mix. Throw in the chickpeas and then pop on the lid. If this curry is making your mouth water, be sure to hit that like button. Once the cauliflower is fork tender, I like to add in the garam masala. The reason why we add the garam masala at the end is because it's a roasted spice mix, so you don't need to add it in the beginning like we did with the other spices. And then finally, you can sprinkle over some fresh coriander, and then this is ready to enjoy. For more simple and delicious recipes, remember to subscribe to Recipes for Littlies.